City Ranger. Hold on. Operation Blue Watch. Look at this cop right here. The look of concern. Is he gonna flip it? Nope, he's going in there. Look at this guy. He wants to roll his window down so he can be famous. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Not too bad.
What you got going on right here?
Right now, I'm just patrolling the library and the parking structures in the City Hall Plaza. So we generally come here and do it periodically here.
What are you looking for? Book thieves?
What's that?
Book thieves or what?
Yeah, just violations, municipal code violations, people not following the laws of the library and the city municipal code and things like that.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Who are you guys with?
Just the United States of America.
Okay.
From
You're not like California Guardian or Tulare Cop Watch?
You know Tulare County Cop
dude,
Watch?
I follow all those.
Yeah, you ever heard of San Joaquin?
San Joaquin, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's you?
Yeah, yeah.
No
How you
way,
doing, man?
What's your name?
You're gonna be on my channel.
Oh, sweet. What's your name?
David.
David.
How you
Ruben.
doing, Ruben?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice
I
to
watch
meet
them
you.
every night.
That's what's up.
Sometimes I watch them and I'm like, oh my gosh.
What do you
I can't
think,
believe
man?
it. It's 50-50, bro.
Right?
It's 50-50.
You know, on my channel, I try to highlight the good officers as well as the bad.
Right.
I think that's why my channel grew so fast. Plus, I try to help a lot of new channels.
Right.
I didn't see that pattern coming from the older channels. They were just kind of helping themselves.
Right.
And I think that everybody really needs to do this. You know?
No, definitely, man.
I think it
everybody
could
accountable. That side, law enforcement side, everybody. Man.
Exactly. And you know what's funny, man, is I have a retired police officer that I talk to every day.
Oh, really?
And he gives me tips. You know, gives me your guys' locker room chats and the way you guys talk in the locker room. He gives me all, you know, and where I need to improve, learn stuff, learn about the stars and learn about the stripes. You know,
definitely.
And just learn everything so I don't sound like a dumbass out here. You know.
Yeah.
So
that's cool, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
I never see you on camera.
Yeah, you never. Yeah.
Third person view.
Yeah, I'm like the guy filming the porn movie. You don't want to see the guy behind the camera. You know what I mean?
The content's the good stuff in the front.
Yeah, that's right, man.
On, man.
You know, I appreciate your professionalism, dude. I appreciate you talking to us.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
What was your name, badge number?
Ruben Ramirez. Body number is 23425.
234. 234.
25.
25.
Yeah.
All right, man.
My badge number is 101, but
101?
we go by body number.
Well, my daughter's she got like the most AR points in her school. And she reads and reads and reads and reads, and we can't get her enough books. So if there's gonna be a book thief coming out of there, it's gonna be like it's gonna be a little girl. Yeah.
Okay.
She there's not enough books for that girl, man.
Keep an eye out on for her then.
All right, Ruben.
Yes.
All right, Ruben.
All right,
have a great day, man. Yeah. See, folks, Ruben was cool. What do we have here? What do we have here? How you doing today, nice lady? K9.
How you guys doing?
Not too bad. How you doing?
Good.
Are you patrolling the area?
Unfortunately, I have a demo. I would stay and talk with you guys, but I have to get to the south end of town.
All right.
Take care.
You too. Have a wonderful day. Are you gonna purchase your K9 for $1 when you're done?
I am.
Well, yeah, that's right. I know what I'm doing, huh?
Yes, you do.
Have a wonderful day, man. She's really nice, guys. Oh. She wasn't like uber nice. She was cool. Can't complain. Record the police, man. Record the police.
Oh, yeah,
that's what we do.
Cool.
Record the police. Start a channel. Hit me up.
All right, for sure.
All right, brother.
What's your name?
David.
David?
Yeah, check me out.
Oh, okay.
San Joaquin. San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Nice to meet you, brother.
All right.
So I'm guessing the police station and shit is over here. So let's go around this way. We can come back to the DMV here in a minute.